Good morning everyone. Hello friends. So right now I'm in Jog Bangla temple which is located in Bishnupur, also dedicated to God Vishnu. So let's see and explore to with me the Jog Bangla temple. So it's also a very unique and amazing temple we can see, and I am exploring lots of temples here because there is also more than 20 complex temples in the Bishnupur. So stay together with me and explore lots of and many more temples including the Jog Bangla temple. So once again, thank you so much, and stay together with me and learn about the facts about the lots of ancient and the mystery of the temple. So thank you so much, and stay together, update with me.
So Jor Bangla temple, which is dedicated to Kishto Rai Krishna and the Gauranga Chaitanya Sri Prabhu, so which was built in 1655 by the King Raghunath Singha Dev II. So the ornate terracotta carvings are set up by the roof in the classic Chela dynasty of the Bengal architecture. So it's also a very unique temple which is a part of the Bishnupur temples, which is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in India in 1998. So Bishnupur is also popular for its the Bolochari saris and the other artifacts which is made by the terracotta and designing different things. So really it's a very good experience which I got here in this temple. Also the Jor Bangla temple which is located, and even Jor Bangla temple which is located after the Syam Rai temple, which is only 500 meters something like this is from there. And after Jor Bangla temple there is also one of the most beautiful temple which is also located in front of this temple, which is called as a either Radha Syam temple, which is so beautiful also here. So I am going to visit the Radha Syam temple, and in front of the Radha Syam temple is one of the ancient temple which is a Ma Mrinmoyi temple, which is also dedicated to goddess Durga, built by the and one of the ancient temple built by the King Jagatmala in 1997 CE. So really it's a very good and all over the temple built by the terracotta in different style and different way, and lots of temple which is remaining that I have to visit, that is Radha Syam temple, the Lalji temple, Madan Mohan temple and Madan Gopal temple, and still there are more than 20 to 22 temples are located in Bishnupur. So still I have to visit every temple. So let's see how much temple I am able to visit the temples. So it is one of the best experience which I got to visit and explore lots of places regarding the temple city in Bishnupur, because Bishnupur has also so many temples, so it's also known as the temple city of India and Bengal. So even Bishnupur already explained about that. Bishnupur, which is located in Bankura district in West Bengal, also close to Kharagpur. So it's a very good experience which I got here, and we can see the how the design make in unique architecture of this temple. So which is also famous for many temples, terracotta, rich heritage and cultural site in India, Bishnupur. So it's my experience in Bishnupur which I got very well. So once again thank you so much. We will meet in next video. Thank